Hey folks, how are we doing? It's Richard from Bikepacking Adventures. I'm here on the east coast, just outside a little village where I've grew up, Humberston. I'm here on a return leg back to home in the Isle of Axholme, and as you can tell from the trees, it's very windy. It's 150k back, and everything's come off the bike. All my bikepacking kit from the last video, if you watched it. It was a bikepacking weekend with Tony Clarkson, so I've taken everything off the bike, and it's just what's essential to get me home today. The only thing I haven't packed is better legs. Anyway, if this sounds interesting to you, stick around, enjoy the adventure with me, facing this wind. So for anybody who did watch the last video, you'll know I had a bit of a mishap. This weekend I was meant to be on the gravel bike, but the gear broke. So I had a last minute turnaround, getting onto the mountain bike. So my van is parked randomly in the Lincolnshire countryside. The plan is to get that tomorrow, Bank Holiday Monday. I'll incorporate a ride to tomorrow to go fetch the van. So my name's Richard. Not only do I go on bikepacking adventures, ultra distances, so you'll see me sleeping in hedges and things like that. I also do this thing called Wolds. Wolds is long distance organisation worldwide, and I'm doing this thing called DIY. Basically it's my own route. It's 150k long, and for me I've chosen the best elements of mountain biking / gravel. So I'm going to go through the Lincolnshire Wolds today. There'll be a couple of stops along the way, kind of working out where I'm going to be stopping as I'm going along, because I don't really have much food with me, if any at all. There's several things concern me today. My right knee's not feeling good. I'm on a mountain bike, it's blown a gale. What was the other thing? I can't find the cadence. So I'm now thinking, do I just go to the van and not bother about a DIY? Another one failed. It would have been my first 150k Audax as well to get 1.5 points. I knew I could go through there. Sorry, got distracted. This is to change the point system. I thought that would be ideal, but the wind is pretty horrendous. I really just need to learn to ride slower. Having said that, you know, there's other people out on bikes, it's not just me suffering. I've been thinking about my holiday in the Netherlands next month. I'm thinking, oh my god, it's autumn, isn't it? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get another set of aero bars, stick them on that bike, I think, the gravel bike. That's what I'm intending to ride. Get some skinnier tyres on there, because I really miss them not being on the gravel bike. I was even thinking about this bike, but then I was looking at the bars, the way they shape like that. If you know a solution to get aero bars on this bike, or you know, a particular product, feel free to stick them down in the comments below, and I'll take a look. One of the worst things about cycling, you're flying along and you know, good speed, and then suddenly you're crawling up. Yeah, I've often struggled to comprehend that, and deal with it over the years. Less so now, I've been riding so long, but for a long time it's like the sudden jolt of really fast to really slow. Yeah. Anyway, I'm crawling up this hill, forget what it's called. I think it's called Brat Lane, maybe. Beautiful part of Lincolnshire though. Not the place to have a quarry, but nonetheless, one has appeared. Great decision there by North East Lincolnshire Council. One of the most beautiful villages in the district. Yeah, let's have a quarry there. Tell you what, that looks like a good woods to set up camp. Maybe if the overgrowth dies back a little bit in autumn. Otherwise, a bit too close to the road, I think. Living in the Wolds. The Wolds we see today is sparsely populated, small villages mingle with isolated farmsteads and are surrounded by unspoilt market towns. But it wasn't always so quiet. Neolithic farmers first settled here. Since then, Romans, Vikings, medieval monks and allied soldiers in World War II have each shaped and made the Wolds their home. Yeah, first paragraph, absolutely accurate, so quiet. Great place to come riding your bike though, if it wasn't so bloody windy. Yes, I came through in winter once. I thought I was never going to go this way again, and here I am in the height of summer. It is exceptionally bumpy. Oh man, trees please, or hedges will do. The tower at Stenigott. Oh, I always call it Stenigott Tower, but it's not really Stenigott, it's the top of Manor Hill. This is the Lindsay Trail. It's going to bring us to the junction at Manor Hill. I'm going to go straight line down there into Dodson and Bain, and then going to go into Jenny's shop and see what snacks they have. It's definitely a type 2 kind of ride. I do recommend everybody at least tries one type 2 kind of ride. Can you ride a mountain bike mostly on tarmac across a ridgeline into a blowing gale. For some people that's definitely a no. Some people's type 2 fun is simply, going out in the rain. Oh, my bad. The route doesn't go down, man, hill. It's gonna go right. Anyway, car behind me. Just leaving Donington-on-Bain. I took this photo here. Look at that, 48 grams of sugar. Bought that from a little shop in Donington-on-Bain. It's closing 5 minutes later, so I had that right there. It's only, it was only 5 to 2 in the afternoon. The other place is the Poster Pantry, and that closes even early. I don't think it even opens until Sunday. But that's where I sat. It's a nice seated area, benches outside on the grass. Yeah, if you don't come to Donington-on-Bain, it's the place to sit down and eat a picnic. There's plenty of people walking about as well. A lot of people come to walk the Viking Trail, which I was riding on a little bit. So this is Mill Road at the moment. It's going to take me on top of, well, it's going to take me up to the High Street, which is a strange name for a road in the countryside that does not have a high street. That means there's a tough climbing coming up at the moment. In the past, along this track, well, I don't know what it was, but I saw a Shimano poster once. I think it was cyclocross or something. Don't know. Don't go this way very often. But kind of this way to get out of the wind, really. Even if the hills are a little bit more tricky, the main a bit more interesting, shall I say. Well, that's it, folks. I'm back at the van. Nice running to finish with. Going down the bridle way from Hainton to just, I don't know, I don't really go. There's not really another village at the end. Little London. That's brilliant, that bit. I'm definitely going to return down there and do a bit of wild camping. I'm going to be busy putting a few pins on the map this afternoon. I wish I could share that with you, but I'm going to keep that to myself. You know, I do a lot of wild camping, and although I'll give you a few nuggets of where I am, I need to keep some to myself. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, watching me ride around Lincolnshire on the byways, on the bridleways, and through the woods and things like that. I hope to join you in the next one. So if you, well, that remains to say really, please give the video a thumbs up, put some comments down below, especially if you come from Lincolnshire. I want to know what's your favourite part of riding around Lincolnshire. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button as well so you don't miss out on any future content landing on the channel. I've got lots planned. So I'll leave it at that. I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye bye.